Hello and welcome to 5-Minute Math. Today we are looking at the third grade concept of even and odd. This is standard 3.4i in the great state of Texas, and we are using item number 28 of the 2022 released STAAR test. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we've got the number 27, and we just need to figure out what's true about 27. It's either even or odd, but even if we can figure out which one it is, we have to know why it's even or odd. All right, so let's just take the first 10 numbers. We're going to make our own little kind of mini hundreds chart here. But we're going to see there's a pattern that shows up here. So what's the difference between even and odd? Okay, so even numbers can be split into two even groups. That's one way to think of why they're even. Odd numbers cannot be split into two even groups. And all the rest of this is the same. So number one, right, if I were to try to draw a little group of one, well, I can only put one right there. So there's two groups and they're uneven. So one is odd. But watch, if I were to do two, I could put 1 and 1. And that makes it even because I can split it into two even groups. Right, so 3, I can do 1, 2, 3. But they're uneven. It's a group of 2 and a group of 1, so that's odd. And 4, go 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so two even groups of 2, so it's even. Notice the pattern here. I've got odd, even, odd, even. I've got 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uneven. Whereas 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so that's going to be even because I've got two groups of 3. So you notice my pattern, odd, even, odd, even, odd, even. And we've got 7, right? We can say that's going to be odd because it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Whereas 8 is going to be even because it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that's our pattern. Now, if I were to draw some dividing lines here, guess what? As long as we put 10 in a row, we can already go ahead and do the second row. 11, 12, 13, 14, and this is probably something that you've noticed on the hundreds chart, right? Is that when we put them in rows of 10, the ones digit stays the same. It's the tens digit that changes. So if we can get all the way down to where we're actually looking for 27, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. That's what we're looking for. So I'm thinking it's going to be odd. Let's just double check though. 27. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yep. I've got one more over on this left side. So it is an odd number, right? It's in this odd row right here. So it's not going to be F, it's not going to be H. It's odd because the digit in the ones place is odd. Well, that's my pattern, right? The ones place stays the same. It's an odd number. Or it's odd because it can be divided by 2 evenly. Interesting. That's actually what an even number is. An even number can be divided by 2 evenly. So it's odd simply because of the ones digit. So we just look at the ones digit, and our answer is G.